We have a variety of Phinoxis orchids, different colors, different touches, different blooms, and this is one of them.
So this is a peace lily. It has a white flower, but it's a perfect indoor plant.
This is a variety. There is a variety of snake plants, and this is part of them. They are air purifying plants.
Yes, so this is Anasorium lily. It is in the family of the flamingo plant.
This is a resilient plant. It's a desert plant.
Hello, my name is Judith Abe. I'm from Maua and More.
Emmanuel Matovu is my name.
Maua and More is a gardening center in Kampala, Uganda, and we have 3 outlets.
We have at Garden City 2 outlets, then 1 at Metroplex Mall, Naria.
We deal in indoor and outdoor plants that help us in various ways.
We also deal in pots and landscaping services, whereby if in case someone needs plants in their offices, we are here available. Plants at home, we are available. Also, we have pots where these plants have to sit and you display them well, both ceramic, fiber pots, even the hanging pots, we do have them.
Yes, so we are excited. For today, we are very excited to invite you to a show that has been prepared by UTPA. It's happening at National Theatre and we are running for 3 solid days.
That is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We shall be beginning from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening. And the entrance fee will be 10,000. This is a UTPA show that will be here at National Theatre.
Yes, it's very exciting because the reason is we have very many plant exhibitors that are coming and all of them are bringing in something unique. At Maua and More, we have collections that are both rare and common, but the advantages run all over. So there are plants that are indoor that are perfect for your space, for things like a peace lily, which purifies air, the snake plant, which is also one of the top air purifiers.
We also have the beautiful orchids that still you can put in your space like an office to make the whole space so beautiful with the different colorings, different flowers that they do bring up. We also have the bonsai. It's a tree confined into a small pot, whereby if in case you may think it's a big tree, though it's in a small pot.
So we are very, very excited to invite you because, as I said, we're having a show that is engaging. We're going to have someone teach us about how to have volcanic rocks used in your landscaping or even in your plants. We're going to have trainings that involve how to take care of your plants, from potting to trimming to watering to fertilizing to spraying. It's going to be power-packed. So if you're a plant parent, this is a show you must attend. Like we said, it's happening Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you cannot miss.
Come with all your children on a Saturday. Come with all your children on a Sunday after church. We shall be available to teach you how to look after plants, how to have valuable plants in your space.
Absolutely.
Whereby you have a plant, you know its values, you know how to look after it,
yes.
And you know what happens if it is sick or it demands your extra income or extra input.
Yes. Lastly but not least, like we mentioned, this is a must attend. We're repeating this because we know you're going to benefit from coming. So we said National Theatre, our stall is right at the entrance, that is Maua and More. We are going to be very, very excited to see you. For those that are watching live, our telephone number is 0777 014 020. That's at Maua and More, but we are also online on all the platforms. So you can Google us and search, and our team is going to be very excited to engage you on these 3 days. So please do not miss.